how to join and use Blue Cross well-being programs on the app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to join and use Blue Cross well-being programs on your app, here's what you need to do. So first, before we get started, just learn about that Blue Cross and Blue Shield offers a variety of well-being programs and resources to support your physical, financial, and emotional health for their employees and members. So these programs can include health and wellness programs, mental health support, as well as financial well-being initiatives. So once you successfully log into your account from the app, select programs and services option from your menu and then select healthcare and well-being. Simply scroll down to the Blue Cross well-being. So first time visitor will need to enroll by completing the following details on the particular app or website, which is the on-screen instructions. And once you do all of that by telling them who you are, you should be successfully able to join and use Blue Cross well-being programs. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.